This is cream of wheat hot cereal and I absolutely love it. It takes about 2.5 minutes to make on the stovetop, but you can also do it in the microwave, but I prefer it on the stove. And it's very easy to do. All you need to do is boil some water or some milk too, add some salt, and then gradually pour this to the specifications. There are directions on the back of how much you should measure the water compared to the farina. And this also has lots of vitamins inside too. To change up the flavors, you can also add some nuts and fruits like bananas and blueberries, or top it off with some butter, even chocolate chips too. Yum! This is also a great source of iron. This also has plenty of vitamins like B6, vitamin D, as well as calcium and iron too. Definitely recommend this for breakfast, lunch, or even a snack too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.